Everybody, welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. This is going to be video one in the series of videos for just everything peanut butter. So what we did today was we went ahead and put peanut butter and jelly, which we used homemade, link in the description and also in the iCard on the jelly recipe, homemade jelly that we used. So what we did today was we put the peanut butter and jelly into an ABT. If you don't know, ABT stands for Atomic Buffalo Turd, which is just a jalapeno sliced up or quartered and stuffed with something, anything of your choice. And then, of course, anything with barbecue, you have to wrap it in bacon. So we went and did that. So we can see now down here is some delicious looking ABTs. Now they're still a little hot from the smoker. I'll let that sit for a little bit while I keep talking. What you can find what I want to do now is with peanut butter, it's a very high rich protein, also high fat content. So really going for the ketosis or the ketogenic diet, if you will. You want to load something up with peanut butter, go right ahead and do it. Of course, the jelly recipe had a whole bunch of sugar too. So what can you do? I mean, you're not going to appease everybody with the recipes, but this will at least get you somewhere. And it's probably cooled down by now. And cheers. That's pretty good. I would have my helper here. However, she is not a fan of the spicier food, so I don't want to have her burn her mouth off with the jalapenos. But this, and of course the jelly too, I'm not sure how hot that is. I haven't tried it yet. Well, I just did. I think that's a success if you ask me. It's pretty good. This was a lot easier than your normal recipe for ABTs, since you didn't have to cook down or reduce down the sausage or the little smoky sausages that sometimes they used to wrap them in. There's no time at all to slice them up and get them prepared to go in the smoker itself. If you didn't know about ABTs, I went ahead and put these in the smoker for about 300 degrees for about 1 hour. You could do maybe down a little farther, 275 for 90 minutes. That's been my general trend, but the smoker just it went away on me here and just got a little higher than I was expecting, and then no matter, just pull them off that much sooner. So from I think part one in this video series of peanut butter was a success. Any questions about this recipe or next in this series, just let me know. And until next time, keep barbecuing, America.